Yen, ano na itutulong niyo sa lipunan?
Well, for me, siguro yung sexual awareness and yung openness ng tao to sex. For me kasi, honestly, I stopped na rin with the Viva Max thing. I'm done now with my contract, so I no longer resonate na kasi with the whole Viva Max thing. For me, I wanna move on, explore new genres.
And it's your right to do so.
Yes, I have the choice.
Mm-hmm.
Yun. Kasi parang, ayun nga, I don't wanna stay in a place where, yun nga, it doesn't align with me anymore. Spiritually, energetically, lahat na yan. Meron kasing tinatawag na the male gaze theory.
Yeah.
And mas lalo kong, I know it's just a theory, pero mas lalo ko siyang naramdaman when I enter this industry. And yun nga, it's hard to be a woman. You know, it's so hard to be a
Yeah.